Chris Streveler's second career CFL touchdown pass, looking to Darvin Adams on the outside.
So the Bombers with some thunder here. But guess what? We've got more lightning, and they are clearing the field again. So Chris Streveler is going to make his third start on opening night. Could this night get any more outrageous? More unpredictable. Bombers down 5 right now. Jason Moss. We saw lightning flashes in the area. Kind of knew that there was another cell coming in, so it's a head shaker tonight, but it's sports outside in the Great White North in the summer of football. Unless you're in a dome stadium, this stuff can happen. We've seen it happen here before. Parker, you and I have been living through a couple of these.
This is not our first delay here in Winnipeg.
Again, though, clear. You think about the fans, too. It's not like tomorrow is a weekend, a day off, and a lot of kids here, so...
Yeah, well, I suspect a lot of the kids probably went home during the first delay, unfortunately missing out on some of these opening night fireworks.
I think that bear is going to stick around.
Oh, yeah.
Not afraid of rain.
Yeah.
But they're going to give the fans warnings again to clear into the concourses. And lightning in the area. Bombers were battling back once more. Not sure how long this delay is going to be. We'll hear from the league. I'm sure the panel is ready to reassemble again.
There's the Road Warriors. I know they're going to stick it out.
Maybe that Rod and Jock and Milton match goes in. Tonight, one thing for sure, you need a rain suit, rain gear. It's one of those nights. Got to get through it. Find some way. So, you're calling it. Streveler starts to take off. He hits them with the arm.
Yeah, keeping the defense honest.
The kids looked really good in this. The weather gods, not so much.
Yeah, should we hear what the boys have to say about it?
Yeah, let's send it over to the panel, Rod.
Thank you, Rod. Thank you, Dwayne. And I'm very sorry for Jock right now because that rum hut closed about an hour and a half ago. So that option is out. You're back here talking with us again. I'll tell you what, we did talk back with the Jock and Matt Dunnigan and Milt Stiegel too. And we talked about the experience of going through this once. There it is. Oh, yeah. It was closed up a while ago. Although there's I think some chance brewing right now. They'd love to see it open up again. But we talked about the experience 2 years ago in Winnipeg, right here against Hamilton and Milt Stiegel night, and last year at Labor Day Monday in Hamilton. What we haven't seen before, at least I haven't, I don't know about you guys, is this happening twice now. They were back on the field, so they got their momentum going again. Winnipeg, especially with that touchdown drive in the Darvin Adams from Streveler. And so that's 25 minutes of playing time, and now they're back to do this again. And I wonder at what point does it start to just take a toll on